Hello children, continuing the exercise angle properties of a circle. I am doing few more questions of exercise 18. Same theorems will be used in these questions also. Question number 12 is, in the given figure, O is the center of the circle. This is the figure given to us. Angle DAE is equal to 70 degree. Find angle BCD and BOD. And angle OBD, this angle you have to calculate. Now ABCD is given to be a cyclic quadrilateral, right? And therefore angle BCD, this angle is equal to angle DAE. See, if we are considering this cyclic quadrilateral, we have done that the exterior angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is equal to opposite interior angle. So angle BCD comes out to be 70 degree, right? This is the exterior angle. Next we have to calculate angle BOD. Now BCD is angle at the circumference. BD is a chord which is subtending angle BOD at the center and BCD at the circumference. We are having the property that angle subtended by a chord at the center is double the angle subtended by it at the circumference. Give here the property. This is the first property of this chapter. Angle at center is double the angle at the circumference. You have to give the reason here. So angle BOD comes out to be 140 degree. Then we have to calculate angle OBD. Now we are going to consider this triangle. This triangle we will consider. This angle we have calculated 140 degree. OB is equal to OD. Why they are equal? They are the radii of the circle. If angles are equal, then their if the sides are equal, then their opposite angles are also equal. So we have angle ODB is equal to angle OBD, and we are supposing each of them is equal to x. This is the figure we are having. In this angle OBD is equal to ODB, we are supposing it equal to x. So x plus 140 is equal to 180 degree. 2x is equal to 180 minus 140. X is equal to 20 degrees. So we have angle OBD is equal to 20 degree. Next, question number 15. In the adjoining figure, this is the figure, angle BAD, this angle is equal to 65 degree. Angle ABD is equal to 70 degree. This is 70 degree. And angle BDC is equal to 45 degree. Find angle BCD. This complete angle we have to calculate. And angle ADB. This angle we have to calculate. So first I am taking cyclic quadrilateral ABCD. We have the theorem that the opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. So angle A plus C is equal to 180 degree. Give here the reason. Opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. So 65 plus BCD is equal to 180 degree. BCD is equal to 115 degrees. Clear? Next, in triangle ABD, this angle is 65 degree. This is 70 degree. So we can calculate the third angle of the triangle. This comes out to be 45 degrees. So this is 45 degree. Then you have to show that AC is a diameter. Now consider this, children. AC is a chord and it is subtending angle ADC at the circumference. And this angle ADC is how much? This angle comes out to be 90 degree. 45 plus 45, this is 90 degree. And we are having the theorem that if a chord or an arc subtends 90 degree at the circumference, then that chord is a diameter, right? So AC is a diameter. Here I have given the theorem 4. We have angle ADB 45, BDC 45. So their sum is equal to 90 degree. Angle ADC comes out to be 90 degree. This implies AC is a diameter. Next, question number 18. In figure, ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral whose side CD has been produced to E. If BA is equal to BC, angle BAC is equal to 40 degree, you have to find angle ADE. This angle we have to calculate, right? So we have in triangle ABC, BA is equal to BC. So their opposite angles are equal. So angle BCA is equal to BAC is equal to 40 degrees. Now in this triangle we can calculate this third angle will come out to be 100 degree. In triangle ABC, by angle sum property, angle ABC is equal to 100 degree. Now you can easily find out how much is this angle, as ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral and this is the exterior angle of the quadrilateral. So we have angle ADE is equal to angle ABC. So that gives you angle ADE also equal to 100 degree. Again give the reason, exterior angle of a cyclic quadrilateral equals to opposite interior angle. Children, every time you are doing the question solving it, please give the reason for it. Next, question number 20. In figure, O is the center of a circle and angle ABE is a straight line, and AB is a straight line. If angle CBE is equal to 55 degree, find angle ADC, angle ABC, this angle, and the value of x. So first, ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral we are taking. This is the cyclic quadrilateral. CBE is the exterior angle of this quadrilateral. And we are having the theorem that exterior angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is equal to opposite interior angle. So that gives you angle ADC is equal to 55 degrees. Clear? Second, these two are supplementary angle. They are angles on a straight line. So their sum is equal to 180 degree. So that gives you angle ABC is equal to 125 degrees. Clear? And for the third part, when we have to calculate the value of x, I am taking AC is an arc. This arc, if I am taking, this is subtending this angle, this reflex angle, and this reflex angle will be equal to angle will be twice of angle ABC. This reflex angle AOC is twice of angle ABC, and this reflex angle AOC is represented by x. So the value of x comes out to be 250 degrees. Next, we have question number 23. In the given figure, O is the center of the circle. If angle AOD is equal to 140 degree, angle CAB is equal to 50 degree, find angle EDB, this angle, and angle EBD. These angles you have to calculate. So first, this angle is 140 degree. This angle will come out to be 40 degree by linear pair property. Now we are taking triangle OBD. I am taking triangle OBD. In this, OD is equal to OB. This is the radius of the circle, radii. So therefore their opposite angles are equal. We have angle OBD is equal to angle ODB. And we are supposing let each of these angles is equal to x. So what do we have? X plus 40 is equal to 180 degree, and that gives you x is equal to 70 degrees. So angle OBD, this angle comes out to be 70 degree. We have to calculate angle EBD1. So by linear pair, if this is 70, this angle will come out to be 110 degrees. By linear pair property, we can find out this angle will be 110 degree. Second is angle EDB. This angle we have to calculate. How can you calculate this angle? Is ABDC. Now take care of the order. ABDC is a cyclic quadrilateral. I have done it here. In cyclic quadrilateral, ABDC, this is 50 degree and this is the exterior angle of the cyclic quadrilateral. So exterior angle is equal to opposite interior angle. Therefore, we will get angle BDE is equal to BAC, exterior angle of cyclic quadrilateral, equal to opposite interior angle. So angle BDE comes out to be 50 degrees. So this is how, children, you have to do the questions. Now please try up to question number 25 of this exercise. Thank you, children.